Research that we do here at this department has impact on cultural life, civil society, and public discourse. So all staff here at the department are concerned with performing justice, and to that end we've created Performing Justice Research Group, which is very much concerned with social and ecological justice. So Performing Migration Impact Case Study took place at the West Everton Community Council, which is just down the road here from Creative Campus. It also involved women who were students of ESOL at Blackburn House, and Merang, which is a Merseyside refugee and asylum seekers pre- and post-natal group. We also performed, as a part of this impact case studies, we also performed at Lantern Theatre a short performance called Betting on Being British, which involved all the participants, all the audience members, taking Life in the UK test and failing. The other important event for Performing Migration Impact Case Study was Cartographies of Justice, which was a public event which took place here at the Creative Campus, and it involved 3 international artists who were giving artist talks, students' performance, where they were exploring Victorian Britain and notions of multiculturality back in Victorian Britain, and also migrant slam, which saw 10 poets performing their stories of migration. The second impact case study is very much part of our practices research culture. And it's called the Institute for the Art and Practice of Dissent at Home. This is an art activist initiative which is set up in my home and the home of Dr. Gary Anderson, who is a senior lecturer here at the department as well. Now, we work in collaboration with our 3 children, and we have decided to make our home a center for arts practice and art activism. At the Institute, we do a variety of events in domestic setting, such as performances, roundtable discussions, artist talks, visits from various people, artist residences, conversations, and so on. What we are interested to think about is family life and performance, and how family life is connected to capitalism and way of life here in contemporary Britain. We are interested to subvert the idea of family as a neoliberal darling of capitalism. Lots of our work has been presented at various venues across the UK. So whilst we are bringing people into our home and working with them in terms of performances and in terms of visits and artist talks and residences, we are also performing our family life at outside venues, such as the Blue Coat or Arts Admin in London, Green Room in Manchester, and we've even gone as far as the US and Denmark, Croatia and Austria. One of the topics that the Institute for the Art and Practice of Dissent at Home is currently exploring is environment and climate change. And we are doing that in collaboration with our children. So in a way, what we are trying to do is educate a new generation about climate chaos that we are all entering right now. Last June, we performed at Arts Admin a specially commissioned performance called The Great Transition, which looked at the document provided by New Economics Foundation, which outlines the possibility of living beyond carbon in Britain. And now this is a collaboration between 11 European art centres, and in the period between this year and 2016 we will be going to different European centres where we will be talking to other local families in nearby those centres about climate change and about what we can do as families to help the environment.